This video will show the rendering of a panda bear holding a large piece of sugarcane. I'm rendering the sugarcane and the leaves first. The leaves are a type of teal colour, which I think it enhances the look, the overall look of them. I am using markers to begin the process and will end the process with watercolors. The markers will give solid definition to the pandas and the sugarcane and the leaves, make them stand out. The panda is the world's rarest mammals, found in the dense forest, bamboo forest of China. Giant pandas are good swimmers and they can escape their predators by swimming away from them. They spend about 16 hours eating bamboo. Their two main hobbies are eating and sleeping. When pandas roam their environment, seeds from plants and trees collect in their fur, and then they are dropped or deposited elsewhere, which helps enhance the overall forest ecosystem. Protecting endangered and vulnerable wildlife like the giant pandas is crucial for maintaining the health and balance of our ecosystems. Every species plays a vital role in its environment. Pandas can easily stand on their hind legs and are commonly observed somersaulting, rolling, and dust bathing. Although somewhat awkward as climbers, pandas readily ascend trees. Having painted the black parts of the panda's fur, I'm beginning to render the white areas, or perhaps the off-white areas, should I say. We are now starting to see the real shape and look of the panda. I've decided to paint the background in a colour called titanium buff to give it a natural look. And throw a bit of green in to give it the colour of its natural environment, and also to finish the features which I hadn't completed earlier, the nose, the mouth and the chin, and also the fingers and claws that hold on to the sugar cane. I've just run over the leaves with a bit of sack green to give them more of a natural look, and put in a few shadows on the sugar cane. I'll grade the arms and hands of the panda to stand out from the main fur.